Finally, discover how we're harnessing the power of AI to make $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000 payments straight into our bank account, applying this little-known old-school secret to brand new technology, AI. Everybody's talking about AI. You've probably seen everyone's AI profile photos, AI-generated images, AI chatbots, and more, but here's the problem. No one is showing you how to get $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 payments through the power of AI. Well, would you like us to show you how we're doing it right now, or keep it a secret? So you've heard of AI. How could you not? It's all the rage among all of us early adopters of technology, but you're scratching your head wondering how you can turn this into money. Ideally, big money, right? And you know what? Nobody's teaching you that right now. It's like crickets out there. They'll show you how to create content with AI or how to do email copywriting with AI, stuff that doesn't make you any real money. But if you look carefully, nobody's showing you how they're making the big money with AI. And that's probably because no one's actually making big money with it yet. That is, until now. It's a funny thing about making money, especially with something brand new like this. Most people want to keep those money-making strategies to themselves. But we know that there's plenty of money to go around, and we don't mind sharing these secrets because we're all about helping entrepreneurs succeed. So what we're about to show you is how we're using a brand new technology like AI and turning it into high-ticket payments of $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, and even $20,000 straight into our bank account by creating highly profitable information products right now. You don't even have to be an expert to do this because the AI does most of that hard work for you. This is the most powerful way to apply AI to the world of making money online. I know it's hard to believe that we're receiving payouts of $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 per customer, but here's some real proof straight from my bank account and Stripe account. In fact, over the last few months of applying this strategy, I've made a little over $120,000 using this specific high-ticket strategy. I know what you're thinking. I'm not an expert, or I don't have any specialized skills or knowledge to be able to put into an information product. But let me tell you, even though I like creating my own info products, I've also had great success by partnering with other experts. In fact, I did a little over $220,000 by partnering with one of those experts recently. They had the experience and the knowledge, and together we were able to make six figures in a matter of a few months. So this specific AI strategy can work for you whether you do it on your own, or as an affiliate marketer, or in JV partnerships. And that means that you don't have to be an expert because you can simply partner with the experts. And I'll show you examples of how I've done that in several ways inside this training. Listen, I know this may sound hard to believe and like it's not even possible to get five-figure payments in a matter of days. I used to feel the same way until I started making these high-ticket sales. If you've tried to make money online and you just haven't had the success you wanted to achieve, it's probably because most courses out there just don't give you complete training, or they're created by people who aren't really doing much. I've been marketing info products online for over 2 decades, and I'm here to tell you this is one of the best and fastest ways to build a successful online business that I've ever seen. It's a beautiful thing to receive a $20,000 wire transfer straight into my bank account, and I want to show you exactly how I do it. Look, the world of AI is coming at us like a tidal wave, and you're standing at the right place at the right time. Congratulations! But if you don't paddle out right now and start riding this tidal wave, it will pass you by, like many other opportunities may have done. And you'll be wondering why you didn't jump on it when you had the chance. James and I have been on top of the hottest, newest trends for years now, and we can both confidently say that this is one of the greatest opportunities to come along since the internet itself. So it's really up to you if you want to build a highly successful business that will take care of you and your family for years, and even decades to come. A year from now, you can look back on this moment and say, wow, I'm so glad I took the chance and learned this strategy. Or you can say, man, I wish I would have listened to Dave and James back then. The choice is yours, and we strongly recommend that you jump on board and learn these exciting strategies. James and I have brought you blockbuster strategy after blockbuster strategy over the years, and most of them have been on the cutting edge. Even the bleeding edge sometimes, but this one is the most powerful of all because you already know that AI and machine learning are a gigantic innovation and is only going to get better and stronger, and now's the time to get in. This machine learning technology will dramatically shortcut your path to success, and you know that unlike many other people, we actually deliver the goods when we launch a product. Our track record is second to none. Here's what you're going to get inside High Ticket AI. You'll get our full-blown training on how I'm using AI right now to create info products that sell for high ticket, to create the best sales message for your high-ticket info products, to launch your high-ticket info products, and to drive traffic to our high-ticket info products, and a whole lot more. Bottom line, you'll get everything you need to be successful with this strategy, and you'll learn exactly how we're cashing in $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, and even $20,000 payments by using the power of AI. So hit that button below and let us give you a tour of the matrix. You're about to take the red pill.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote IT products, info products, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business to the next level. Today I have another amazing high-ticket artificial intelligence product. It's a software that is actually going live or has gone live on the 12th of January 2023 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As we speak, that product is live and you can of course take advantage. In a nutshell, this one is actually going to help you discover how James Renoff and his partner are harnessing the power of AI to make 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 and even up to 20,000 payments straight into their bank account. You can become another beneficiary of this very tool, which is actually where the future of the world is going. Like I said, it's launched by James Renoff and his partner, and this one is mind-blowing. If this is a product you're going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will automatically bring you to this sales page where you can actually go through and see what amazing instrument this is, and of course make up your mind if this is going to be for you. The world is going virtual actually, and that's why everybody must find a way to get a space on the virtual cyber web so that you can actually be able to utilize the trends that are coming up in the future. Okay, now with that said, I will show you also the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. All of them have the tendency to actually complement with this amazing product, and this will be waiting for you in my Warrior Plus account. But with that said, I'm going to make this one short. Let us just go through the sales page so that you can see how this may be of help to you. These are some of the amazing income proofs from James and his partner, and of course this is a video you can watch when you get access to this place. He says, everybody talking about AI. You probably have seen AI photos and AI generated images, AI chatbots and more, but here is the problem. No one is showing you how to truly get paid, let alone up to 5,000, 10,000, 15 or 20,000 payments through the power of AI. And this is exactly what they are saying this is going to do for you. It's loaded with content and of course loaded with tools and softwares and training courses that are going to actually help you implement these very things that will automate it in such a way that you are going to be making money on a daily basis. Okay, so I mean this is timely, and there is no way you can think of the future without having in mind to deal with making money aspect of that. You can ask the latest AI arrangement that is ruling the world now called ChatGPT. You can ask that anything you want, but how do you actually translate that information that you are getting into making money online? This is the problem this very high-ticket AI solves, where you can sell high-ticket products and get as much as 50% to 75%, even 100%, which ranges into $1,000 or more on each sales you make on such a product. And I mean, it's amazing how you can use this instrument to actually get to making money online. So I will leave the going through the sales page to you when you arrive here. But now let us hear exactly from the horse's mouth, James Renoff himself, so that you will see if this is going to be, and then definitely you may not hear from me. If you are here for the first time, I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications, and I'll be back to you, of course, always anytime I'll upload my videos. Now, for now, you will hear from James Renoff, and then I say goodbye from here. From Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye, guys.